Welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. If you've been following our series with this Jeep Patriot, you saw us last time wash off all the dirt that was sitting on the surface, as well as detail the wheel wells. And now that they're exposed to the elements, we want to show you guys how to dress them to get them looking factory fresh, but also add some protection. So we're going to start off by using bare bones, which is an undercarriage dressing safe for your wheel liners, your plastics, your suspension components, as well as anything else underneath the vehicle. And all you have to do is simply spray it onto the surface. And this is going to restore a deep gloss shine, but it's also going to add a layer of protection, which makes it harder for snow or sleet, road salt, and dirt to stick to, so that your wheel arches and wheel wells look as clean as they can for as long as possible. And it's as simple as that, just simply spray it onto your undercarriage components to give it that lustrous deep gloss shine, but more importantly, it's going to protect it against harmful UV rays, road grime that could damage the finish, and also going to help it from cracking over time. And now if you don't want this really glossy effect, all you have to do is take a clean microfiber towel, such as one of our green workhorse microfiber towels, and just wipe away any of the excess or any of the overspray. This will give it that dry to the touch finish. But again, this is going to protect your undercarriage components against things that could rust it or harm it, especially people who live in the areas like the East Coast where it snows or rains a lot, and your cars are constantly subjected to those harsh elements. And there you have it. You see, it's very simple to do, and it gives you this very nice shine. It also gives your car more of a better curb appeal, but again, it's going to protect it against those harmful UV rays or anything else that could damage it over time. Now, since we've got this looking fresh, we've also got the wheels clean. The tires look a little dull now because of the shine that the rest of the vehicle has, so now we're going to also address that. They've already been cleaned, so if you guys haven't seen the last video, we did the entire cleaning, washing process, starting with the wheels here. We'll clean them up using some Signature's wheel cleaner, which also took care of the old dressing that was on the tire. Now it's nice and clean, and now we're going to show you how to properly dress it using some VRP, which is a water-based dressing. This is going to enhance the look of it, give it more of that glossier finish for the comparison for the rest of the vehicle. And again, this is a water-based dressing, so that means it's safe for your interior and exterior finishes. You can also dress your trim with this, because a lot of vehicles, such as this one, have a lot of plastic on the exterior. But we'll start with the wheels here, and we'll just wash it out. Just like any dressing, you want to spread it out so you're not putting a heavy dab of it in one spot, and then just work it into the surface that you're dressing. And you can also buff off any of the excess, or if you want more of a natural finish, you can always wipe off any of the product while it's still drying or curing, and that'll give you more of that natural look. And that pretty much wraps up the exterior protection for the vinyl, rubber, and plastics on this vehicle. We're still going to go around and hit all of the lower panels and valances that have this black texturized plastic to give it the same shine as the tires using VRP. But in the meantime, you guys can check out these products on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop your comments down below for future videos. And we'll see you next time.